So you tell a company to look at the marketing material that it releases. So the marketing material typically points in specific features that are important to the customers, features that distinguishes the company from the competition. So you can use that as a starting point to figure out how to protect the things that are important to the company. There are also items that are not mentioned in the marketing literature that's also still important. But those we can get through talking with the engineers or the founder, and we can say, hey, what are some of the critical things that you've done that other people coming after you must also solve to create the product? And so that tells me where the roadblocks that we need to mine, protect for the company. So you can approach it from two ways. One is from the customer-driven approach, the features that are important to the customer. And the second is from the bottom up, where how do you build a system and what are the challenges associated with creating a functional system? Whoever is doing a follow-up or a clone approach of the startup's products, they are likely to face the same problem. And so if we block that, we have given the company a very good head start.